Hello there. This is a Hybreathe tutorial video to explain the contract flow for clients and freelancers on the Hybreathe platform. Once a user is signed in, the first step is to create the contract by clicking on the Create Direct Contract button. Enter the contract title, select the suited category. Now, enter the direct contact receiver email. Note that if the receiver already has an account on Hybreathe, he will receive the direct current email directly. However, if the receiver is not registered on Hybreathe, he will get an invite to register, and then he can proceed with a direct contract at Hybreathe. Choose the expected duration. Enter your proposed price. Now, if you are creating the contract as a client, select as a client. And if you are a freelancer, select as a freelancer. Finally, write a suitable brief description of the contract and create the contract. Now that the contract has been created as a client, you can see its progress. For now, the contract invite has been sent to the freelancer and it is awaiting approval. Now let me show you in the receiving account that how your contract will appear to freelancers. This is your contract in the freelancer's account. The freelancer will accept the contract from here. As soon as your freelancer accepts the contract, you will get a notification in your account. Now, as the client, you have to approve and proceed with the payment. You have the options to pay via PayPal and your debit or credit card. Once payment is done, the contract will be in working status. And once the freelancer finishes and delivers the worker, you will complete the contract by clicking this complete button, and hence, upon releasing the payment the contract will be completed. As a client, one can see all his transaction details at the dashboard. Meanwhile, a freelancer can withdraw payments from account settings via the withdraw button. The freelancer will receive payment in just 48 hours after the completion. If you're a freelancer and there is a client at the receiving end of the contract, you have to follow the same 5 simple steps with different roles. And this is all you need to know to start with direct contracts on Hybreathe. Have a good day.